The sun's going down. Yeah, this is Grinnell Mountain. That one's called right there, that's the Angel's Wing. The garden wall, I think it was called. I don't remember. But these ones are, yeah, look at this. Way up there. This morning we seen a moose walking around up here. I left here, I went to Browning, and here on the way back I ran into 6 moose. They weren't all together, and they were all in different spots. But I seen 6 different moose. So my fishing pole is still sitting there. I put it in about maybe 20 minutes ago. I haven't caught no fish out of this lake yet. I don't know if there's any fish in this lake, or either I'm just using the wrong bait. See, no movement on my fishing pole. Me and Lola like to use those little fishing poles. They're called the Dock Demon. We're using those fishing poles in South Padre Island. But I threw it out pretty far. It's probably sitting about right there. See, it's a good way out, about right there. Oh yeah, let's look at that. That's beautiful, the sun going down. Actually, the sun is right up here. Yeah, they seen 3 grizzlies today. I seen one on the way back. I snapped a picture of one brown bear. Anyway, let's see. There's always a bunch of mountain sheep up here. Yeah, up there. Do you see them? They're right there. I think I could see 4 of them. It was funny, like way up there, you see this little triangle way up there. You see, it looked like there was an avalanche. There was a deer walking up, and then he was cutting across this way, and here he slipped, and then he came down with the snow right there. But you can see it. You can see the tracks where he was walking. Anyway, this is the chalet where I'm staying. I think they call it the Jammer dorm, but we call it the Rockin' Chalet. Closed. Just imagine sitting here with some coffee in the morning.